words. I'm dumbfounded. I don't know what to say. Because I am overwhelmed with this display of love by my nieces. And I don't know how to thank them for giving me this birthday party, the first of its kind in my 86 New Year's. They say, Muna, they always say, the last of the Mohicans. Oh yes, Visabalas are known for their longevity. Naalaksabit datang konsabe kating tungtindiyang kini kakabagyan. And you know, I'm now the last survivor in this Balaklan, even on the side of my uncles, on the side of Jofi. Di parang sa Balkumat, the oldest, ni Ama Mandawa Pampitan sa Balagabyan. At dahil pagsasabi ng material na kay nadakis nga na mo, natugtog tibiyat na mo na. Diyan nadakis nga tao.
Barisa nga.
You know that I had been a good son, I had been a good husband, and I am a good father. And so this is a very, very nice display of love from my nieces, and also as a welcome party to my beautiful niece who never gets old. Yeah. My life has been on the passage of time.
You're a doctor.
But in the passage of time, I have traversed this world. Although the excitement, my life was very good. In love, very good. Ngiti lang bakit I was a man in a hurry because I was a sickly boy during my younger days. I enrolled, I entered elementary at the age of 7, 8. Sakman, na-delay because of the 4 years war. That's why the college amount, I was already 25. Imagine that. Kat around the exciting events nga nabibig ko during the war. 4 years. We were out of school. Kung kami amin di pumarkada, kamating ka ng general function. I was telling Mario kanina. Kaya mo ni Mario, kakapatan kami kada parang tinong kada parang tusiglo, they are very much older than this. Kaya I repeat, I am a man in a hurry. That's why I even had an instant child in the name of the war. And then I was telling Mario, my contemporaries, you see my grandchildren are still in kingdom. But my contemporaries, professionals, the grandchildren done. That is the risk of getting very late. However, I enjoyed life as I passed the years go by. I'm happy that I'm still alive. I have been lucky because I survived. Siya kung binabati ka din ibarkada. Wayan ka, Hardin, the Dr. Leos, the Ireneo Paz, kada Inicio, the Dr. Godofredo Luz, Boss, you still to pay me. Ibigyan ni Barkada gini. I remember our escapades with Tustigo. And the auntie of the Pura Moon, Mary, used to pour some at the river night. Very memorable. Sumatay ko natin tayo. Scottish poet. For God give us memories that John Roses will be the descendant of our lives. Wala na. And so, today, this event, I will always remember my life and my death. When it comes, I will bring this to my grave. To kalipatan na ron. Hindi at lang ron. And of course, my children are taking care of me. Sometimes, mapainak ka na kwata because I'm big a burden to them. And today, so ngayon nalatang ako may injection na nakakaasin na pwede ka na. And to all the rest of my nephews, your thing is special. Whenever he comes, he brings something. Bananas, raisin bread from Mr. Conant, or the Pasukin soft biscuits from so many patang Americana. And these are all memories that I will bring to my grave. Jakto kalipatan ng ito, ipagpakito na. Ketitata, at Diyos oray tamina, at hindugat kumahapat, I know, karkarukod din po tayo. And thank you, dear relatives, dear friends, senior citizens, na kaya amin ang napas na. Thank you very much. I also want to say, to greet my other December celebrants. I want to say my greetings to my son-in-law, Michael, who celebrated his birthday yesterday. And to my other last survivor, my beloved cousin, Sisa, who will be celebrating her birthday on December 15.
Happy birthday.
Kasama kami ni cousin na Sisa, we are both 86 years old. 1924 kami nakuha. And this moment, whatever pray ni Chitli tayo, let this be a very memorable day for all of us. Except yung mga kapataginayon, Bibiyagteani, especially dito yung patas sa senior citizens na pagkat dito yung itagta. The secret of long life is to have moderate in everything. Never excess, hangkay nga agapusar. Moderation in everything. That is the secret of long life. And, of course, may advocacy exercise. You know, yes, I was about to say this. It's good that bit has reminded me. You know, once you get old, the more you become amorous. Kaya kung ko na ni Pete, apo, gusto ko yung pingi pagpalasa ngayon kung ko na lang ni kita. Kasta ang sitay ko na. Nung nasaklakay sa tao na-aarin. Kaya nangaroda yung kita. Kasi tayo, kapay ko nga, pataginayon, nakabagyan tayo, panagkakapsan tayo. Thank you very much. Sa pa ako na yan na.